So this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing along and 4x4ing. Also coming with a bug deflector up on the hood, sitting on some ion rims, running boards down below, vent shades on the windows, and finally a soft top tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected from the elements. You've got some nice accessories there. But let's take a look inside. So first, taking a look in the back seat, where you do have spacious seating for 3 that can be folded completely up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you want to put back here. And then you do also have 2 cup holders, as well as a 110 volt and 12 volt power outlet there in the middle. Now this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 60,663 kilometers. Moving now to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left hand side you have your cruise control buttons, as well as the controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through things such as your trip 1 and 2 stats, fuel economy, compass. Then you can also go into your digital speedometer, engine info, my key status, distance to empty, transmission temperature, tire pressures, and once again, you also have your towing status and information, your off-road status, and settings for features around your vehicle and your screen setup in general. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, and whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors that will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that. And then you can also zoom in on your hitch to hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your traction control shut off and your hazards. Moving down, you do also have your physical media and climate controls with heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay comfortable in the colder months. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your Pro Trailer Backup Assist and your trailer brake controller underneath that. And on the right, you have a 12 volt power outlet with a 110 volt power outlet. And down here you have this compartment which opens to reveal a 12 volt and 2 USBs with some space so you can plug something into power or charge there. You have your main shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your tow haul mode and sport mode selector, as you can see there. You have 2 cup holders, cubby, and your center compartment / armrest. And inside you do have a removable tray with a ton of space and a 12 volt power outlet once again, so you can plug something in there. And last but not least, you do also have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.